Hi friends, this is Rajeshwar Rayapati and welcome back to my channel Rayapati. Uh, Actually today I've posted a video on a new job description that is coming, which is SQL plus Tableau, where you need the basics of SQL and which you should be used along with Tableau. So watch this video for a clear content. But coming to the topic of this video, I told you, yeah, you need to have SQL as your background. You need to develop SQL and how to you have to start practicing with SQL and all. But a question that always rises is where should we practice? Now, if possible, you can install Oracle in your system. That you can always do. But there is a simpler solution to this. Not many of us know, but I think this will help because Oracle itself has given us a solution to work on SQL in the web way. That is, which is in the browser capacity. That is live SQL. So this is a great feature, guys, because I love it because I do it when I do it in my mobile because I have a 6-inch mobile. Whenever in doubt, it's a bit hard to type all that, but yeah, I do whenever I want a quick solution, I just type it in this in my mobile and I get it. So the power of SQL is in your mobile now with this feature. So let me get into this. For this, you need to have an account that is to be created with Oracle. It's free of cost, guys. Nothing to worry. So I have already created, so I'm just signing in. Now, once you sign in, when I started, I was clueless what to because I came to here this SQL worksheet, and here I tried to type something. Select the star from EMP. It's a very famous thing, guys. So I'm writing that, but then you'll get a statement saying table or view does not exist. So that is because here this is like your empty database that is loaded, not even with the tables. If you don't even load your tables, well, it is like an empty database. There is nothing present. Now, how do we get that? To get that, there is a concept called my scripts. Or the other way, you can always create your objects here. Like you can create a table. Like you have the create table site. Is create table, some table name. I say Rayapati. And then you give column names and all. Yeah, that can be done. You can create your tables. You can create all the data that you want. You can insert. You can write any PLSQL code also. Whatever you want, you can write it in here and make it relevant. And here you can also write the code that doesn't need any object to work on, like select Raya Rayapati from UL. This will always work because this is a default table that is given by Tableau. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Got used because of Tableau. This double quote is not allowed in SQL for strings. So now see, you'll get your output. So for the objects that doesn't need any, for the queries that doesn't need any object, you can directly write it, or else you can go ahead and create your objects in here and then you can write. Or there is a much better option. One thing is you can you go to code library and see, basically we need only EMP DEPT databases, tables, right, to work on. So these you can directly get this. You can directly click on this and you can run your script, or you can download the script. Okay, then you can even save in your MyScripts. This is the easiest possible way because you will directly get all the tables. This is like directly when you install Oracle, you get your Scott without doing anything. The same way you can run the script. Now let me run the script and show you. Now the script is running. Now this, whatever this is saying, is because we have already run some select query statements, right? So it is saying now there are 22 statements in the script, but what happens is there are 3 statements that are currently in your session history. We have already executed them, but those are not yet saved, or doesn't so we don't want them. If you don't want them, if you want them, you can go and save them. I'll show you how. But if you don't want them, now we don't want them, right? I said remove session history, and I say perform actions. It will take a while because it has to go and delete those. Now it's fast. I don't know why. I might be lucky today because of my video, but see, you got yours. Now you can see all the statements in here. Now with a clear explanation. So with all those insert statements, and also I think the DEPT table will also be here in this. See, the name DEPT table is also there. So now I say SQL worksheet. Now before where is not coming? Yeah. Before where when we started, it doesn't give any data. Now while I select this, select star from EMP, now you can see the data. Now see, this is your data. See, this is a bit different from what we have been, what we are used to actually. This is more like you have to make it as a script. You have to save it. Now, I think of it in such a way that you have your database in the form of scripts. You can maintain any number of tables and any number of insert statements. I didn't try to a huge level. I don't know whether this will accept that huge level or not. But see, for practice purpose, this is best. Now, once you have done, and you can save this. You can save the session. If you save the session, this will be displayed in your my scripts. Now I am saving this as Rayapati class. Okay, now you can either make it private, unlisted, and public. The private is you can only see it. Unlisted is whoever has the link can see it. Public is everyone can see it. Write a description, the area that this is just for your purpose, and the tags to find it easily. I'm not doing any of this, but see, description is mandatory. So again, I say Rayapati here, and I just say save session as script. Now this you can find it in my scripts. Now let the session save. Okay. Yeah. So see, this is present in my scripts. Let me click on my scripts. Now see here you can see Rayapati class, which I have just downloaded. Okay, now you can also upload a script that you already have or someone has shared with you. To upload a script, just click on upload, and here just browse for that and select the script that you have and say open. Now once you say this, you can go for a script name Rayapati script 2, and description is again Rayapati. You can give whatever is convenient to you. Now when I say upload script, now that script will be uploaded, and again where will that be seen? It again will be seen in the my scripts area. Okay, let me see. Let me show you that. See, the Rayapati script 2. I think CRIP. Yeah, script is also right, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Again, there are other advantages. Like my tutorial is what you have created or you have saved the tutorials for people, for other peoples to see, or for your own sake. You can create your own tutorials here, and there is a code library which will have the scripts that are created by other users, which if you want you can go into these and you can browse these, and it will be helpful for you because they'll give, see, I don't know what this is also, but see the explanation, it is most of it will be self-explanatory. See, whatever they are saying, it is most of that is self-explanatory or something you can read. So even this code library is very huge, guys, and it is very useful. But if you are looking it in the right direction, okay, this the sessions field, whatever here is like whatever are your previous sessions, what are the sessions that you have, all the sessions. None of, if you are using one, you are working in one session and suddenly there is a power outage or internet outage and you lost that session, don't worry, you can find your session here. You can click on view session. You can see all the scripts that you have executed will be here. Okay, the outputs, even the errors, everything will be here. So you can either delete the session, rerun the session, or save the session, whatever you like. And utilization, it will show you what is the max that is allowed and how much of you have you used? So don't worry, this is not much of a scenario. And NLS, I too don't know what this is. Uh, it is about the format, whatever the date format, region, and everything. So don't nothing much to worry. And schema is, if you want to create your own schema, create a database objects like tables, views, materialized views, everything, whatever you want, you can create them here, and then you can use it in. See, these objects will stay permanent. So when you create these objects, you can use them like you use the tables in your schema in your database. Okay, we create schemas, right, the same way. And quick SQL, this is similar to what we have seen with the SQL worksheet. Any something like small without you need to get a quick output of SQL without any tables or these and everything of these. If you want a direct output, you can directly use this quick SQL, and in this you can get it as an output. And what else are remaining? I think that is total, guys, nothing more. So hope this helps. And see, this is but there are certain shortcomings. Yeah, I forgot that we have this amplicent, right, in this Oracle to insert the data in the runtime. That will not work here, because obviously here you will be inserting data in the script at that point. You need not insert it in the runtime. So that is why this will not work. And as far as I used it, I found that bind variables are not working, and some exceptions also, it is not possible to execute with this live SQL. But rest also, these are minor scenarios, but it will be a huge potential for you to work on. And it is very fast, guys. It will give you very quick responses. Okay, I hope you liked it, and I hope you'll use this for your practice, and also it will help you share your scripts along the community, along your friends to if you have any scenario where you are stuck, you can directly share the SQL script, and then you can ask for them for an answer. And you can even use PLSQL in this. Even PLSQL works, because I myself have implemented PLSQL in this and checked if that will work or not. Okay, I hope you like this. And again, as I say, please do like, subscribe, and share my channel Rayapati, and also share it with your friends who are looking for Tableau. And now I think I can say, for those people who are looking for solution in SQL also, I'll be starting a parallel class videos on SQL also, to help you understand SQL better. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.